In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective email marketing campaign from logging in to sending out your polished final product. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your current strategy, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. First, let's begin by logging into your email marketing platform. This process usually involves entering your username and password, and with that done, you're ready to kick off a new campaign. Starting a new campaign is simple, but it's important to really think about what you want to achieve with your email. Once you're in, you'll be presented with several options. For this example, we'll focus on creating an email campaign. This is a versatile choice, allowing you to communicate effectively with your audience through newsletters, promotional offers, and more. Next, it's time to name your campaign. Choosing a name might seem trivial, but a descriptive and clear name helps keep your projects organized, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns at once. Think of it as a label that makes finding and referencing this campaign straightforward in the future. Following this, you'll need to select your audience. This step is crucial because your message should be tailored to the interests and needs of your recipients. By segmenting your audience appropriately, you ensure that your content resonates with the right people, increasing engagement and interaction. Most platforms offer segmentation tools based on demographics, past behaviors, or preferences, so take advantage of these to hone in on your target group. As you move forward, you'll need to decide whether to choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch. Templates are fantastic time savers and are perfect if you need inspiration or lack design skills. They often come with various layouts and color schemes to choose from. On the other hand, starting from scratch allows complete customization to suit your specific vision. Now let's talk about that all-important subject line and preview text. These are the first things your audience will see, so making it clear and catchy is essential. A compelling subject line entices recipients to open your email, while the preview text provides a sneak peek without giving everything away. Once that's sorted, dive into writing the content of your email. Crafting engaging content is key. Use a balance of informative text, attractive images, and interactive buttons to draw readers in and guide them towards taking action. Don't forget to use personalization tags, like using a recipient's first name with tags such as #name to create a more tailored and personal experience. Personal touches can significantly increase the chance of engagement. Before sending, take a moment to preview and test your email. Most platforms offer tools to see how your campaign